guys, so I thought I'd switch it up today. I have been wanting to try this product for so long. I know I'm trying to post my health and fitness journey on here, but I just can't not show you guys my first impression of this. I have looked everywhere for this product. It's been sold out everywhere. I've called every Target, every Ulta room. They found them. They put one on hold for me. I found it. Let's get this video started. Oh, the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Oh my gosh, I have been looking everywhere for this thing. It has so many good reviews. I've been searching everywhere for it. I finally found one and I'm so excited. So this retails at Target for $59.99. It dries your hair and like blows it out for you all in one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Maybe I should have done that before starting this video. So this is what it looks like. It just looks like a huge round brush. It's like freaking huge round brush. The only bad things I've heard about this is that it's really big and they wish it was smaller. That's the only downside to this I've heard. It has an off, cool, low, and high switch. I've heard most people with my hair thickness use the high switch and then use the cool to like set it. So I think that is really cool. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. So I don't know if it's gonna actually translate in the video, but I have a lot of hair. Like, I don't know if it's just because it's short, doesn't look like it, but this girl has got hair for days and sometimes it's a pain. So I'm really hoping this works out. I'm really nervous to see how this works. I'm like, does this move? I'm just gonna stop right there. Can we just talk about how fast this is going? It's literally been like a minute. And it's dry and it's smooth. Oh my gosh. I'm liking this, so we're gonna keep going. Liking this so far. Like, I just want to say my hair when I blow dry it gets like huge and it's staying so smooth. I do have to go over it about 4 times for my hair to get dry. Again, I have a lot of hair. I will say I have some really short pieces in the back. It is kind of hard to get to, but again, I think I'm gonna get used to this. I do have hair already getting stuck. I have heard that you do want to like clean this out so that it doesn't get stuck in there. But anyway, I really do like this so far. I will say if you have really short hair, especially in the back, it's kind of hard to get to, but I'm getting the hang of it and I'm really liking it. Let me just start by saying I'm in love. Best $60 I've ever spent. But I do want to talk about some things that I noticed because I think it's a little bit different than what I expected, but it turned out to be a good thing, but it might not be a good thing for you guys. So like I was saying earlier on in the video, I have a whole heck of a lot of hair, and hopefully you guys can kind of tell more now that it's dry. There is so much hair on my head. So it takes forever to blow dry my hair. When it's long, it takes like an hour, like when it's really long. But it takes about 30-35 minutes, and it depends. Like if I go to Dry Bar and they're trying to give me like a perfect blowout, I'm there the whole hour, them trying to give me my blowout. If I'm just trying to blow dry it real fast, it takes about 30-35 minutes, sometimes longer, just kind of depending on how soaking wet it is. My hair had been air drying in a towel for about 30 minutes. So it was probably about 80% wet whenever I started doing this. So the fact that it was pretty soaking wet and it took about 25 minutes to get me to this, I'm like burning up. Also, you don't need to put the heater on when you're doing this if it's cold where you are because it heats you up. Let me just say that. So that's the first thing. It cuts your blow dry time by so much, you guys. I love this. And that might not seem like a huge difference, like 5-10 minutes, but when I'm blow drying my hair, it doesn't look like this. It is way out here. It is not this straight. It has all these kinks in it. It looks frizzy. This literally, what does the box say? It's a one-step hair dryer and volumizer. So it says power of a dryer, volume of a styler, smooth blowouts in up to half the time, less heat-related damage, ionic technology for fast, silky, smooth, shiny results, ceramic coating to help reduce damage, tangle-free combination bristles, weight design for maximum comfort and ease, max drying power. So I really do agree with a lot of those. So it can cut it in about half the time. I feel like maybe if I got used to this more, I could cut it to about 20 minutes. I don't know if I could do it any faster than that. I'm just gonna be really honest. But I freaking love it. It really is taking away you having to hold a hair dryer and a round brush or any type of brush. It's putting that all in one. So for me, it feels like less work and it feels like less time. So I love that. So I put this on the high setting, and for me, the high setting is perfect for the bottom half of my hair. I can use the low setting on the top half. So that's kind of nice because I literally put 90% of my hair when I split it in half to do any type of styling. I will say I wish I would have broken it up into 3 sections. So my baby layer, the middle layer, and the top layer. So that's something I'm going to do next time. I feel like if you have thick hair, you need to do it in more layers. I will say the biggest complaint I heard was that it's so big you can't get to the roots. And the way that I combated that was by doing this, and I would smooth out at the top just like that, and it worked perfectly. So I heard that was a big complaint, and the thing is, I don't really care if I have volume up there. If you're looking for volume, what you're probably gonna have to do is like really get in there. And you can see that's close to my roots, so you can get in there, but I can understand how it can feel a little bulky. And maybe one day they're gonna make it smaller and I'll probably buy it too. I do have some shorter pieces in the back, but show you guys. My bottom layer, and I mentioned at the beginning of the video that it was kind of hard, but I just started grabbing those layers and just going like this, and it really, really worked. So I really like it. It did catch some hair, and that cool setting seals the frickin' deal. It looks so shiny. It feels so soft, so smooth. You guys, I just love this. I am going to text my husband. He was so sweet and like texting me all day like, did you find it? Did you find it? It doesn't even look perfectly straight in the picture, but it looks so much better than when I blow dry it. You guys, I'm just so happy right now. You guys, you have to try this. I'm completely obsessed with it. I've heard this is like a dupe for the Dyson version of it that costs like hundreds of dollars. Can't really say how it compares to that because I've never tried it, but I think for $60, Revlon outdid itself. And I think Revlon has just been stepping up their game with hair tools. and I am just so freaking in love with this thing, and I'm gonna recommend this to everyone I know, and that's why I'm making this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me any requests down below for any other hair tools you want me to try, because I think this is so fun and I love watching videos like this. So my next video will be more of like what I eat in a day, things like that, because I obviously am trying to share with you guys my health and fitness journey, but I just couldn't help but show you guys this, and I really hope you guys are just as excited for like this review as I have been, because I'm so in love. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this thing. Everyone at work is going to find out about this, and I'm gonna tell them that they need it. So again, thank y'all so much for walking. Thanks for walking, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to leave my Instagrams down below. I do have a fitness Instagram. It is Diet Coke and Fitness. And then I have my personal Instagram, Francesca Martinez. So follow me on either or both. That would be pretty cool. I do have a blog that I write on a little bit talking about my fitness journey. It's more like me kind of talking about my feelings, how I've been through it, things like that. So yeah, all of that will be linked down below. I'll link down below any place that I can find this for you guys. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!